Speak to us, O Lord, in truth, in words too deep to understand. But still you lead us by your love to walk with you, to hold your hand. Your wisdom shines so pure, so bright, dispelling shadows, giving light. Guide us, Spirit sent from heaven, all truth revealed, our hearts are driven. In your wisdom we shall find the peace that fills